most important thing is not how much you swallow, it's how much your body can absorb. The vitamin industry has succeeded very, very well in its marketing over the decades. They have made vitamins the number one product that you will think of if you're going into a health store of any kind to buy a product to support your health. It's almost certainly going to be a package of vitamins that you're going to leave that store with. However, that's not necessarily the first thing that you should go in there to buy. Every process in your body, every process in the human body is dependent on minerals. Energy, you want energy. If you don't have sufficient minerals in your body, you don't have energy. Your body needs minerals to produce energy. In fact, the thoughts that you're thinking while you're sitting there listening to me is dependent on you having the right and sufficient quantities of those minerals. The thought process itself cannot occur without mineralization. You see, we used to get our food from natural fertilizers, but then at the end of the Industrial Revolution, the farmers changed to artificial fertilizers. What that meant to the plants was that they could no longer bring up metal from the earth and break them down into nanoparticles. That carrot that you look at on your plate, you think and you hope that's going to give you the minerals that you need, but it isn't. It doesn't have them anymore. And the natural health industry has grown up around this deficiency created by the gigantic food industry, big agri. You take, for example, whatever brand of magnesium capsule or pill you like, let's say a 300 milligram capsule of magnesium. You swallow that, it has to go into your digestive system. You are not likely to get more than 1/4 of a milligram truly bioavailable magnesium from that. But if you take the nano magnesium, the 30 milliliter shot, you're actually going to get 3 milligrams bioavailable into your blood. What's the difference? Well, the difference is that first of all, the nano magnesium is pure. It's just magnesium. The body doesn't have to break down all the garbage compounds. It already has it in the form and in the size that it can just immediately go through the soft tissue into the bloodstream. There's no work for the body to do. It's in the form that nature intended you to have it in. Long time ago, in fact, in the dawn of time, the dawn of human history, the 8 noble metals became the most valuable, precious metals on this earth. And they became the most precious metals because of their impact on our health. We are here to bring that knowledge back, their history, the true history of those metals. We're bringing that back. That's what we're doing. And we're bringing back the products in the exact quality that you need them for your health.